Baby, she is giving you librarian. She is giving you studious. Honey. Ooh-wee. Let me stop feeling myself. I'm going to be testing out the Catrice Mattifying Waterproof Powder, and I don't know if you guys know, but I've mentioned this several times. I use the all-nighter powder, the waterproof powder. So I want to see if these two are the same, if they're dupes for each other. I don't know. So I'm testing this Catrice one just to see if it is any good, and we will see. I'm not going to be wearing this makeup for a long time, so I just want to know, I will tell you, I feel like it's a little more, just from the looks of it, it might be more of a dupe than the Essence one. The Essence one is really, really good, don't get me wrong, but this one actually has more of a color to it than the other one, than this one, so we'll see. I'm just using my powder brush, and I'm going to tap into this, and it does have a bit of a cast. I'm going to tap it off, and I'm just going to apply this on the skin, and from the looks of it, it is doing the mattifying like it said. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. It is doing the mattifying, as you can see, like this side has more of a glow, this side is a little bit mattified, but I'm okay with matte as long as it's like a demi matte, so it doesn't dry me out and make me oily later. I'm okay with matte. And I make sure I go in on my eyes, because the whole purpose of me using, I just stuck that in my eye by the way. The whole purpose of me using a waterproof powder is to ensure that my makeup does not come off, because my eyes water so much. That's really the whole reason why I use waterproof powder. So I just do this to make sure that I am looking good. From what I'm seeing, I'm getting a little bit of pickup right here. And on my nose, it's almost too matte in a way. Maybe with the Cover FX, it's just too matte, but I think I can fix that. Do y'all see what I'm seeing? See around here? And down here, it's a little too matte for me, but we'll fix it. So now I'm going to do my bronzer and all that. And now I'm going to use my Tarte Stay Spray. I'm using a healthy amount of this. I always do that, but I'm mainly using a healthy amount of it today because of this situation with the dryness around my mouth that happened with the Essence powder. I'm not really sure where that's coming from, because most of the time I don't really have a problem with it. So I don't know, but I believe it will be remedied as soon as this sets into my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this in, taking my sponge and doing that, and I'm doing it very lightly. Let me tell you why I just made that such a big deal. The last time that I tried to go like heavy-handed on my like patting in my setting spray, do you want to know what happened? All of the makeup around my mouth came off. All of it. So it looked like I had a mustache. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't like looking like I have a mustache. So if I can help, like not removing any coverage by going lighter on tapping in the sponge, you best believe I'm gonna do it. This is fixed. It fixed it. The setting spray fixed it. Yeah. It was just too much powder at the time, but now that it's like sunk into the skin, now that it's like sunk into the skin, it's looking good again. I thought it was gonna be a problem, but actually, no. We love when things get fixed.
Six and a half hours later.
Hey guys, I am back for my check-in after a very long break. I put this makeup on right before I had to go take pictures, and well, first, get into this look, honey, because I ended up putting on a lipstick, which makes me look a little different, and honestly, I'm living for it, you guys. So this hair, like, just first of all, I want to say thank you to my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful hairstylist that always does my hair, and I change my hair like the wind. So she is always so caring and so perfect in doing my hair. Her name's Tashira Watson. Shout out to her at Glam Spot Beauty Lounge. I will be linking her below. But like, y'all, my shirt is also red and green, so and blue, but I am basically showing you guys this because I just wanted y'all to see how the look corresponded with this. I didn't even mean to do this. I had on a different outfit, and I had this in my car as like a backup in case something happened, and something did happen. I had to change, so let's look at it with my glasses. That's cute. Hold up. Ooh. Let me stop. It's good to feel yourself sometimes, but don't get big-headed. Okay, so basically what we need to talk about is this Catrice mattifying waterproof powder. Cause honey, look at my makeup. My makeup has not moved. It is matte, except for this. I always get oily on my nose. But honey, this looks like a dream. Everything is just seamless. Oh my gosh. And I just ate, so that might change a little bit. But this, I give this a 1000% A+. I'd actually put this above the Essence one. Mainly because this, like, you know, I had to buy the Silky Matte and the waterproof to put it together to make my perfect combo from Essence, which makes that at about almost $10 when I put those two together. Or no, the Silky Matte's like $2.99. So that makes it like almost $7, almost $8 when I could just buy this for $7.99, and it gives me both in one. It gives me the Silky Perfection, but I also get the mattifying and the waterproof. You know what I mean? Like, it gives me 2 in 1. And I'm loving this. Like, I think this looks really good. And I'm also feeling myself. So, you guys, I love this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!